In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix opt-in page. Crafting an effective opt-in page can significantly boost your email subscribers and engagement, serving as a key component of successful online marketing strategy. We're going to walk through this step by step, ensuring clarity and ease so that you can jump in and start creating right away. Let's begin by creating a new page, or you might prefer to set up a dedicated landing page, depending on your website structure or goals. Once you're in the editor, it'll be handy to rename the new page to something straightforward like opt-in. This not only helps you stay organized, but clearly indicates to future viewers the purpose of the page. Next, we'll focus on adding a headline and subheadline. Your headline is crucial. It's often the first impression visitors get and needs to convey the value of what you're offering succinctly. Think of it as your elevator pitch. Make it crisp and benefit driven. For example, you might use a headline like, "Get my free 7-day business growth plan." It's clear and offers a direct benefit to the visitor right away, encouraging them to read more. Once you have an engaging headline, it's time to add an email sign-up form. This is the core function of your opt-in page, capturing those all-important email details. In the Wix editor, you'll find various form templates that you can tweak to fit your style and intentions. Ensure that your form fields are straightforward. Typically, first name and email is perfect. Too many fields might discourage people from signing up. Customizing the submit button is the next essential step. Often overlooked, this small detail is important. Instead of a generic submit label, why not change it to something action-oriented? Options like "Get started now" or "Send me my plan" can make a big difference. This little tweak can enhance your page's conversion rate by prompting a more immediate response. Lastly, let's add an image or a visual element to your opt-in page. Images can speak to the benefits of your offer in a way words sometimes can't. Choose an image that aligns with your content, be it a cover of your guide, a happy person using your service, or a graphic representation of your offer. This visual should support and strengthen the message conveyed in your headline and form. With these steps, you're well on your way to having a fully functioning and enticing opt-in page on Wix. By focusing on clear messaging, intuitive design, and engaging visuals, you'll be setting up a great first contact point for potential leads, primed to convert visitors into subscribers. Thank you for joining as we created your Wix opt-in page together.